Samsung unveiled a groundbreaking super steady video mode feature which was absolutely stunning at that time, but since then it seems like Samsung got a bit lazy with this feature. It remained on the same 1080p resolution all previous years even with the latest Galaxy S22 Ultra, after Apple introducing the action mode on the iPhone 14 lineup for the first time, which is better implementation than Samsung. It not only works with all lenses, but also uses a higher 2.8K resolution. Seeing this, it seems like Samsung is finally leveling up with the S23 Ultra. You would have since said that the S23 Ultra's 200 megapixel main camera could be much better and taking low light photos than expected. The Galaxy S22 Ultra already a capable camera phone for night shots, so any upgrades on top sound like they'll make for excellent images whether you're in light or shade. A new 200 megapixel camera sensor has been unveiled by Samsung, and it could be the same one that we will see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The ISO-cell HPX has been revealed by Samsung to have excellent low light capabilities as well. According to reliable leaker Ice Universe, the 200 megapixel sensor on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have 0.6 pixels on a 1:3 sensor with an f/1.7 aperture in front. These specs don't match the ISO-cell HP1 or the HP3 sensor, which means it could very well be ISO-cell HPX that we get to see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is planning to upgrade the resolution with the Ultra Stabilization mode. We can expect them to do the same thing with the Portrait Video mode, which is again better on the iPhone 14 series because they shoot that in 4K resolution. Not just that, you can also adjust the blur levels after you short the video. Whether you like it or not, Apple is still the king in video in all shapes and form except the long-range zoom. With the Ultra Stabilization and enhanced Portrait Video mode, we can expect the S23 Ultra to bring the best video on any Galaxy even. And finally, we have on leaks updating his renders of the S23 Ultra, basically confirming that the bezels will not be as thin as he first expected them to be. Actually, it's hairline thinner than the S22 Ultra, and you are not going to notice these differences in real life, because the bezels of the S22 Ultra are already so thin. Samsung is bringing an upgrade to their zoom camera setups that can make a huge difference when it comes to handheld zoom photos and videos, especially at 10x, 30x, even at 100x level, and improve the night mode performance. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.